Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLIN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. And really, to summarize today's movement, in a nutshell, this was a total gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap in case maybe you're new to charts or trading? But on Thursday, the price closed right there. And then this morning on Friday, the price opened right there and opened up higher, hence the gap up. And then this is where things get really cruel. After the markets open, the price went up to there. Some poor souls were buying up around that area. And then from that point, it was all selling pressure the remainder of the day. So like I said, summarizing today in and of itself, a total gap and trap. And now the question going into next week becomes, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? And that's why this level down here at $1.25 is very, very important. Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but to just help illustrate why $1.25 is so important is if the price were to come down to that level and then just continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. Or in other words, that would imply that the price made an awesome move like that only to literally go right back to where it was. And that is a pump and dump. Right there is the epitome of a pump and dump. Again, not saying that'll happen, but that is why $1.25, very, very important. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, if this thing is going to try to get itself turned around, first key level of resistance to watch is going to be right there at $1.75. And then next key level after that, right up there around the $2 mark. But as of right now, top priority, at least in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but more so trying to consolidate out and get things under control here, because the last thing you want to see the price do is go below $1.25 for the reasons discussed. But we'll see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.